Hi there and welcome to another session of Business Studies for the 12th Standard with me Vishwanath sir. As I continue telling, our journey towards case studies will be going on and on and on. Why? Because it is a very integral and important part of your CBSE question paper. Okay? You need to understand the concepts, you need to put it down to get your required marks. So my advice to you is that understand the concept properly, because once you understand the concept properly, it is very easy for you to tackle these case studies. I'm with this chapter called planning, and I plan to move ahead with this with a further number of case studies and a few important questions. Sandeep Limited believed in the phrase, failing to plan is planning to fail. Therefore, the top management always advocated its subordinates to plan for success. The junior managers followed the advice and made monthly, quarterly and yearly plans. Everyone in the company was told to follow the detailed plans. After 3 months, it was found that the company lost several orders. It was found that the clients had demanded 13% discount as compared to the 10% discount which was offered by the company. But the salespersons refused them. No new suggestions came in this period improving the sales of the company. The company decided to rely on its tried and tested channels of selling through 2 channels. However, the sales manager were finding it difficult to obtain orders as the other firms were using e-tailing and m-tailing to attract the customers. Identify the situation of the planning highlighted in the above case which are responsible for the lack of success of Sandeep Limited. You can tell A, planning leads to rigidity. So when from 10% if they could not offer another 3%, okay, they lost out on a lot of orders. If they would have taken, the other clients would have told the other clients to come and take orders from Sandeep Limited. Planning may not work in a dynamic environment. Things are changing quite often and your plans are the same, they are rigid. So they will not work in a dynamic environment. C, planning reduces creativity. Of course. So if you are planning to innovate something different, you are planning to do something different, it will not meet the targets which is set, you will not be allowed to be creative. The next is they planned so much. They had quarterly plans, they had half-yearly plans, they had monthly plans, they had yearly plans, and yet in spite of that they failed. We can tell that planning does not guarantee success. It might lead you closer to your goals, but it will not guarantee you success. Okay, fine. I go ahead with the next case study. An individual wants to open accounts with the bank, has to first fill the required form, submit the photocopy of the necessary documents like the voter I card, Aadhaar card, etc. and then submit a minimum amount to get an account operational. What type of plan is this? Okay, you can clearly tell that this is a procedure because he has to follow certain steps. Okay, he has to fill the form, he has to submit the documents, his account will be open, he has to put a minimum amount into the account, okay, and then it will get underway. So you can tell this is a procedure. Coming to the next case study, the vice president of a company formulates long-term organizational objectives. Divisional manager formulates a plan involving short-term plans for implementing the long-term plans and the policies formulated by the top level, and the supervisors formulate the day-to-day plans. Okay, identify the feature of planning which is reflected here. So we see the top management, we see the middle management, we see the supervisors. So all of them are implementing certain things in planning. We can tell that in this case planning is pervasive. That means it is existing at all levels. Fine, I go to the next question, the next case study. Forever Limited is a product leader in the electronic world. It deals with all types of electronic devices. It is afraid of the declining market due to the increased competition from other new and existing players in the market. After considering this warning signal, it has decided to shift its image from a market leader to a product leader. For this, they involve new dimension in the products and have to take the first mover advantage. For this, the CEO of the company has kept meeting and asked their managers to do brainstorming and give the productive suggestions. It also involved lower employees to find out what is the technical feasibility of the ideas suggested by them. After this whole exercise, they have come up with the innovative idea of manufacturing one-touch freezer, one-touch refrigerator. Revolutionary smart convertible refrigerator. By just the touch of a button, we can utilize a freezer space and convert it into a refrigerator. The CEO of the company appreciated it and decided to raise extra money from the capital market. Name the type of plan which is there for preparing this. You can tell this is a strategy because they are determining the long-term objectives and they are preparing something for the course of action. Identify and explain the importance of planning in the above case. In this case, we can tell planning promotes innovative ideas because you're thinking, you have to be different. It is a decision which will make you go ahead of your competitors. And if you have to go ahead from your competitors, you have to have your USP, the unique selling proposition. Only then you shall be able to achieve these targets. Okay? From here, I go to the next one. The Association of Commerce Teachers, that is ACT, is a non-profit making self-reliant and voluntary organization established with the chief objective of the professional excellence of commerce teachers fraternity. Mr. Gurpreet, the chairperson of the organization, has decided to introduce the Commerce Olympiad at the school level to promote learning and application of commerce. For this, he has prepared long-term plans and discussed with the other members how to make it successful. In a meeting, he discussed the detailed outlay of this idea and explained to everyone about the disciplines involved in the paper, weightage of topics, time to be allocated, evaluation system, etc. They also mentioned in advance the cost and time involved in making the idea into a reality. First and foremost, identify the 4 types of plans which are highlighted in the above case by quoting the line. First was objective. Why? Mr. Gurpreet, the chairperson, has decided to introduce Commerce Olympiad at school level to promote learning and application. So he has introduced, so it was an objective. Strategy, he has prepared long-term plan. Method, he has discussed with the other members. Budget, he has estimated what is the cost in advance and what is the time required for putting it into use or the idea into reality. Okay, fine. So this was one such case study. From here I go to the next. If you fail to submit your homework for the 3rd time in succession, you will be required to stay back and complete your homework. What type of plan is this? This is a rule because you have tried to not do it several times, and now since you're going to the 3rd time, it becomes a compulsion that you finish it off. Otherwise, it will be kept pending for a long period of time. Okay, from here I go to the next case study where the employees of Savita Limited are directed to follow plans formulated by the top management. There is no employee representative in the team who prepares the plans for the organization. Name and explain the limitations of planning indicated here. Here you can tell that planning reduces creativity. Okay, it is reducing creativity because there are limitations in not adhering to the changes which is going to occur. Next, in order to increase the awareness of the company's products in the market and customers, Mr. Harish, the CEO, has decided to advertise in all leading newspapers in every state of India for the next 4 months. Identify and explain the type of plan highlighted by this statement. This is strategy because he is going on an all-round attack and he is making it sure that his product is felt everywhere. Those employees who are eligible for promotion have to appear an internal written test and an interview. Identify the type of plan reflected here. This is a procedure because you have to go through it. Going to the next question. La Meridian has decided to employ female staff for handling kitchen affairs and male staff for marketing issues. Identify and explain the type of plan highlighted in this statement. This is a policy because they are demarcating the lines and making it very clear who has to do what. The next question. If any employee working in Ryan International School comes 1 hour late to school for 4 times in a month, his or her 1 day's salary is deducted. Identify and explain the type of plan highlighted by this statement. It is a rule because it is applicable. Once you come late 4 times in a month for over an hour, your 1 day will be deducted. Question number next. As a part of the training program, a newly appointed sales executive at Career Limited fixes the responsibility of the sales managers as mentors to take the executive for the visits to some of the existing customers and help them learn the skills required to do the job. Identify and explain the method highlighted by the statement. This is a method. Okay, this is a method that is highlighted here. Going to the next, Varma Limited is raising funds for expansion purpose. It evaluates all the available sources like bank loan, loan from friends, investors, personal savings, etc. After considering all the options, it has selected one which will cost the least in terms of repayment. Okay. Explain and identify the feature of the planning highlighted above. Okay. So you can tell planning involves decision making. Okay. It involves decision making here. Then I come to the next one. Vivian is a marketing head in Desire Limited. He prepares sales targets for the upcoming year. For this, he analyzes the previous year's sales data, growth trend of the company, market demand, competitor strategies, etc. Which characteristics of planning is highlighted here? The characteristic which is highlighted here is that planning is a mental exercise. Okay, I take up one more case study. Raghav, the production manager of Future Limited, is planning to install a new machinery for increasing the production capacity. He compares various models and brands of machinery available. He also discusses with the supervisors, workers, compares the initial cost, maintenance cost and the other overheads before taking a decision about the machinery to be installed. Explain and identify the step of planning process performed in the above paragraph by quoting the lines from it. So what did he do? He evaluated the different alternative courses of action. Okay, he compared it. He compared the various models of machinery which was available. He also discussed it with the supervisors, workers, compared the cost, initial cost, maintenance cost. So what has happened is that he is making it very sure that he gets the best deal out of everything. Okay. From here, I go to the next case study. Peter Limited imports raw material from Iraq for the last 5 years, but there has been a change in the government and the new government imposed a ban on the imports from Iraq. All the plan of Peter Limited in regard to import from Iraq fails. The company is looking for another resource to obtain raw material. Identify the limitation of planning highlighted here. Planning may not work in a dynamic environment. Okay. With this, I end this session here of case studies with planning, the chapter planning. Thank you so much for attending this session. This is Vishwanath sir signing off.